Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the taskbar on your Windows 11 computer. So if you want to automatically hide it from appearing, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you currently have the taskbar visible, just right click anywhere in a blank area of the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. On the right side, you want to scroll down and then select Taskbar Behaviors. And then where it says automatically hide the taskbar, if you want it automatically hidden unless you go over it with your mouse, go ahead and check mark inside of that. And there you go. So you can see if you're not currently hovering over the taskbar, it'll automatically hide. So pretty straightforward. And then you do the exact opposite if you want to make it permanently affixed to your screen. So pretty straightforward process on how to do that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do buzz able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.